In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Amazon shopping experience with others. We'll walk through two straightforward methods: sharing individual items and creating a list that others can view or edit. While you can't share your entire shopping cart with someone directly, these approaches will let you collaborate with friends or family smoothly. So let's dive right in. Let's start with sharing individual items from your Amazon cart. Whether you're using the Amazon app or the website, the process is essentially the same. First, you need to locate the item in your cart that you wish to share. Once you've found it, look for the Share button, which is typically located near the product's details. Clicking or tapping this button will give you several sharing options. You can choose to share the item via a link, through email, or even using your favorite messaging app. Just select the method that suits you best and send the link to whoever you'd like to share the item with. The beauty of this method is that the recipient will receive a direct link to the product. They can then click on that link, take a closer look at the item, and even add it to their own Amazon cart if they wish. Now let's explore how you can share an entire list of items. This method is particularly useful if you want to share multiple products or create a wish list. First, you'll want to head over to your Amazon account where you'll find the Your Lists section. This is where you can manage all your lists. Click on it and find the option to create a new list. You could name it something like Shopping List or Wish List, depending on what you're putting together. Once your new list is set up, you can easily add items from your cart directly into this list. It's simple and it keeps your cart neatly organized. After your list is complete, sharing it with others is a breeze. You have the option to invite people to view or even edit the list if you're planning on collaborative shopping. To share, you can send out an email invitation or provide them with a direct link. This makes it super easy for your friends, family, or colleagues to view your selections and add any items they like to their own carts. And there you have it. Whether by sharing individual items or creating a collaborative list, you now have two effective ways to share your Amazon finds with others. It's perfect for planning joint purchases, building wish lists for special occasions, or simply sharing cool finds with those you care about. Happy sharing, and I hope this makes your shopping experience more enjoyable and connected.